So how important is it for the club also to be also go hand in hand with the coach, speaking like generally, not just to Coach Manqoba ukuthi abe successful coach?
Oh, sho sama ideas club nayo Coach Manqoba align. It's very important because njengoba ngisho ngithi coach abanye ngoCoach Manqoba, it takes time. You can't arrive today and then when expect umjudge today, even now after a year, I don't judge him that much. I mean, I expect the process yakhe ibe 3 years, 4 years, because njengoba ngisho ngithi bama sciences, they believe in a certain way of playing and they believe ukuthi they must coach the team and educate the players. Leon, it's a long process. Yabo Leon. Ose Alex Ferguson, what umthatha 7 years to win a league at Manchester United. You know, so lezi zinto zithatha long. They don't happen today. What happens is abo coach abanye ngoCoach Manqoba who are builders. They are very successful in cup competitions. Maybe safik. But kwi-league uthola ukuthi they have inconsistent results. You know why? It's because abadlali besuke besafunda indlela yokudlala.
Yeah.
You know, esaba improve abadlali. So it takes long. Baba team iba inconsistent kwi-league.
Because you're going for quality.
You're going for quality. There's a difference between us when you fika namhlanje udlalela ama results nje.